Megan from Admissions here. I'll have some small step-by-steps to help you take your next giant leap. In this episode, I'll show you how to set up your student career account and along the way, set up your purdue.edu email. First, click on Account Activation Website or type purdue.edu/account setup into your address bar. Use your 10-digit Purdue ID number found in the bottom left-hand corner of your Purdue Offer of Admission letter. Once you hit Continue, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Be sure to write this down as you'll need it many times. Once you've entered your new password, you'll be asked to select an email setting. Please be sure to select the Purdue Office 365 option. That will ensure you're able to conduct business with many Purdue offices across campus. If you do choose to have your email forwarded, please remember that you may be asked to use your @purdue.edu email address to conduct Purdue business. Next, you'll have to answer your Purdue Password Challenge questions. Once you've answered your Purdue Password Challenge questions, you're able to activate emergency texts. This is only available to Purdue students. Parents are not able to opt into emergency texts. Students, we highly encourage you to choose to activate these emergency texts. It's something you can change at any time. You'll be prompted to add an additional email if you would like to have one for security purposes. You've now set up your Purdue Student Career account. Be sure to write this down. Again, you'll need it many times throughout your Purdue experience.